GES numerical system is an integral part of GES script. Just like GES alphabet, GES numbers has its own unique symbol. And GES numbers are not combinations of digits. Every number has its own character. In this lesson, you will practice how to read, pronounce, and write GES numbers from 1 to 10. This is a symbol for GES number 1. You pronounce it like this. Ahadu. This symbol stands for 2. Say it this way. Kal-e-2. This character means 3. It is read as Salastu. This is how you write 4 in GES. Here is how you say it. Arba'atu. The first number 1 written like English small letter B. The main shape is like small letter B and a line, horizontal line across the top of the main shape and a line along the bottom as called strokes. Roof for top and ground for bottom. Now the main shape between the top and the bottom horizontal line written. It looks like this. And you can write every GES numerals using the roof on the top and the ground at the bottom. Number 2, written like anti-clockwise GES alphabet ما. ما. This anti-clockwise ما, GES alphabet ما, is number 2. Number 3, written like mirrored GES letter G. Reversed alphabet G. Number 4, written like small letter English O or normal circle. This represents number 5. You can say it خمستو. Here, how the number 6 looks in GES. You pronounce it سدستو. In GES, the symbol is 7. The correct way to say it is سبعة. The symbol equal 8. Phonetically, it is ثمنت. Note this symbol. It means 5 and written using GES letter R. The first variant R and adding in the middle one horizontal line at its right side and adding the strokes on the top and at the bottom. Now we get 5. Number 6, written like is fifth variant of G. Number 7, written like is third variant of G, G. Eight, written initially like English capital letter of T, then adding horizontal line at the bottom perpendicularly and adding the strokes roof and ground. We get number 8 and it's pronounced Samantu. Notice the symbol, it means 9, and this is pronounced Tasa'atu. Look at this, it's the number 10 in Ge'ez, and this is pronounced Asartu.